Hi everybody, we're here in Chicago at the PACK Expo. My name is David Vrana, Senior Regional Sales Manager in the Northeast. Today we'll be talking about Miura's MI systems with multiple modular boilers, focusing on our LX50 gas-fired LX series boiler. In front of us here we have the LX50 SG. This is a natural gas-fired, high-efficiency, low-NOx boiler. It's got a sub 20 ppm right out of the box without any inverter. It is also available in ultra low NOx, like all of our LX series boilers. This unit has a steam output of 1,675 pounds per hour and is great for any application between roughly 30 horsepower and 50 horsepower output requirement. This built-in economizer adds 5% to the overall fuel-to-steam efficiency. The feed water enters below and goes through this heat exchanger before going into the bottom drum of the boiler, where it then is turned into steam. While each of our boilers are efficient on their own, ranging from 85 to 87%, they work much better as a system when applications call for more steam. Miura's unique low water content design allows for a quick startup from 0 to full pressure steam in less than 5 minutes. It also allows for a quick response to fluctuating steam demand. So when you have multiple boilers in a system, they are tied together with the BP201 master controller via Miura Connect PLC communication. End users that are looking to get data points and performance data from their steam boiler into their building automated system or through their real-time monitoring on a cell phone or any web-enabled device can utilize our Miura Connect. One of the advantages of Miura's modular approach is that we can minimize downtime by having each boiler tie together into that master controller and automatically rotate based on high fire hours. And it will also automatically pick up the next boiler if one goes down for a planned or unexpected outage. In addition to steam boilers, we also offer a number of water treatment products, such as the MW water softener, Boilermate water treatment chemicals, and other monitoring devices to ensure that the water quality is where it needs to be for best performance. If you would like additional information, the best way to reach out to us is through our website. In the bottom, you can use a chat box to interact with somebody to gather contact information and put you in touch with the right expert based on your territory. If you go to miraboiler.com and click on the events page, you'll see an open house tour coming up in January. We hope to see you all there. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.